Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry exports in Affinity Studio. I'll show you two ways. The first one is by forcing pixel alignment, because if you have objects, especially if it's text or icons, that are sitting on half pixels, for example, if I come at the bottom right, you'll see there's a transform panel. We have all the coordinates, and if any of these are sitting on half a pixel, for example, if this one was 210.5, that will cause Affinity to blur the edges to compensate. So what you do is on the toolbar here, you'll see this magnet icon, this is the snapping icon. What I want you to do is click on this arrow, and then here, make sure to enable force pixel alignment, and make sure this one right here, move by whole pixels, is actually toggled off. Make sure it's disabled, because if it stays on, it will disable and it will keep your existing half pixel errors as you move the object. And when you're exporting, this is what you also do. The second way is you come here, click on File, the top left, you hover over Export, click on Export, and then here, if you see, there is an option that says Resample. And this is basically the algorithm that determines how the pixels are recalculated. I want you to change this to this option right here, Lanczos 3, non-separable. This is the sharpest algorithm available, and it is much better than the default bilinear for maintaining detail. Then after that, you can do your exports, but that is how to fix blurry exports in Affinity Studio.